Hi guys, Ben Smith here, co-founder of Hiplok. Today I'm going to talk you through how to fit your DXF frame bracket to your bicycle. It's designed to actually be asymmetric in design, so you can find a really good place for it to fit your frame. It'll fit on the down tube or the seat tube, assuming you've got the water bottle mounts there. This design will not fit absolutely all bicycles. If you've got a lady's bicycle with both down tubes in close proximity, for example, it's not going to fit, but it will fit the majority of bicycle frames. When you're fitting it, the first thing to consider is where you want the lock. There's some adjustment here, and of course, when you flip the bracket, as I mentioned, this also allows you to adjust where you put it. Make sure you don't foul the seat tubes and that your DXF fits really nicely in the frame. Just on the water bottle mounts directly, screw them both in. I'm using a long Allen key here, which does make things easier, but of course a multi-tool style Allen key will work just fine. Screw both down. Make sure it's, firm, but don't over tighten. And of course, like any Allen bolt on any bicycle, any part, you want to check them over time to make sure they're not coming loose. At that point, you're good to go. Thanks for watching.